It's another day, it's another random town in Nevada. I know we're spending lots of time in this state lately. I like it. I like this state. It's a good state. Lots of good cargo rolling through it, none of it delivering to, none of it actually delivering here. But, you know, good state, good state. This is Wendover. Wendover is like the Utah version of Jackpot. Where it's the city closest enough to Salt Lake City that the old people in Salt Lake City can come to Wendover to do their gambling instead of going all the way to Vegas. So, this is like the Salt Lake City version of Jackpot, which is, I guess, the Jackpot's the Boise version. Nevada's weird because it's got little Las Vegases everywhere. Just in more conveniently drivable positions than Las Vegas for other cities that are near the border. It's kind of neat. But yeah, this is another big casino town right on a state border. So we are back into mountain time now, I do believe. Let's turn off my engine brakes. Because usually the pattern with these cities is they follow the same time zone as the major city that they're trying to draw people from. West Wendover, elevation 4315. Alright, we're looking for 80 east. So I'm assuming that's what the blue shield was supposed to be. So we're just going to turn right here. Have a stop sign? You do. Alright. I wonder what happened to that I-80 sign that was there. Perhaps stolen or knocked down. But yeah, this is the 80 business loop, so we're just going to stay on this. My GPS wanted us to just go straight to 80, which is kind of off to our left a bit. But you know, more fun to just drive through the town. Why not, right? It's beautiful because of all the neon lights. Because that's just Wendover. That's cities in Nevada. They're all really cool and well lit at night. So yeah, all of these places have truck parking. In fact, this place up here, the Wendover Nugget, I believe has a full-blown truck stop behind it. If it's the place I'm thinking of. It's an Ambest. Montego Bay. Nice little enclosed causeway connecting the two so people don't have to frogger across the street like they do in Jackpot. You think they have electric scooters up in those? Probably not. They probably don't let them in the hotel itself, right? I bet it's heated, though. I bet it's heated. There's the state line, Utah and Nevada. I love that it's drawn on the road. That is such a neat little feature that you don't see in a lot of places. Oh, yeah, there's the truck stop back there. I think. Actually, I don't know. I saw a fuel price sign. I didn't see any of the pumps. One of these casinos has a full-on Ambest truck stop behind it. And another one has a pilot. So it's a very truck-friendly town. I mean, it's, you know, kind of the same deal. You might be doing something weird. Let's move left. I had my high beams on that entire time. I feel bad now. Yeah, you can see they've literally just got a truck sleeping on the road here. And nobody cares. Oh, no, we don't want to turn right. We want to keep going on the business loop. Lovely little town. I do like these little places. We're actually heading to a Walmart DC in western Salt Lake City. We could have gone straight up I-15, but the difference in miles actually turned out to be 7 miles shorter. 7 miles shorter going this way through Wendover and up 93 and through Wendover onto I-80. So we actually saved a couple miles and didn't have to deal with Salt Lake City traffic to get to our customer. I know I've been driving a lot at night though, which kind of sucks. That 9 p.m. pickup to get this load, it caused an uncoupling of my biological sleep clock and my digital drive clock. So I'm not sleeping when my truck wants me to be sleeping necessarily, which is unfortunate. East Interstate 80, go straight. Got it. Freeway entrance. Score. That was much easier than trying to get on the interstate back at the other one. The other on-ramp is really steep. And then the highway goes over that mountain because it's kind of, the city's kind of nestled up against a mountain, so the highway had to cut through it and go kind of over it. So this is nifty. This is nifty. Also, we're going straight into a way station as we get on this highway. So that'll be fun. I think we get to merge before the weigh in motion, so we should still get a pre-pass signal. Might get a bypass, maybe, who knows? To west, use interchange exit 4. Oh, that's fine. That's not relevant. Merge. Okay. I don't know what that was. I've had lots of caffeine. Alright, weigh in motion. I think. Yeah, weigh in motion. What you got for me? I know you're open. Am I going in or not? Yay! That was a zero-way trip for us. No scale houses open the entire way from Los Angeles all the way up here to Salt Lake City. That is super lucky. I mean, no way stations opened and pulled us in. This is the only one that's been open the whole time. None of the Nevada ones are open for me. And the California one in Cajon Pass was closed the night I went up the pass. That was kind of neat, because I wasn't, at the time, I wasn't completely sure we were legal. we were pretty, it was not that close. As long as our customer did not lie about the weights on the bills, it wasn't that close. And it didn't feel heavier than what the customer put on the bills. So I was okay with just, also I knew the scales were closed because I checked. I was like, oh, let's just get out of here and not worry about it. And keep our axles California legal until we get to Nevada and stretch them out. There's a right way gauge on the trailer itself, which gives you a decent idea of how heavy the trailer axles are, and that had us well legal. So the catch was that is I didn't calibrate it myself, so I don't know how well calibrated it is. Prime has been trying to lock drivers out of changing that. They've started putting little plastic covers over the calibration screw. Is kind of it's a reassurance that Prime calibrated this scale themselves, and there's a date written on it somewhere to tell you when. The problem is those calibrations don't always hold forever, so personally I preferred the old style where I didn't trust them until I calibrated them myself. But you know, I can see where Prime's going with that, so they're trying to save their drivers some money. I kind of like that. Anyway, I'm out of time. I will see you guys in the next video. My name's Eliodare, AzarAngel17 on Twitch, Eliodare everywhere else. Come say hi on Twitter. That's the place where I hang out the most. And if you link your Twitter and your Switch account, you can also friend me on Switch, if you follow me on the Twitters. We're out in the Salt Flats now. It's kind of hard to tell, but this is the Bonneville Salt Flats. We're going to have excellent fuel economy the rest of the way to our customer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. I like these like random little Nevada town videos. These are kind of fun.